All right, y'all. Here's the finished product. Remember I told y'all I put them in this thing here. Over here. So what I did, I took some of that juice at the bottom and poured it on there. Now like this, it was close to the edge and that's darker. And that's some of the seeds from the tomatillas and the chili. Here's another one that got dark on the end. But I opened one and tasted it, and they're good. So I'm not going to bag them this morning. I'm just going to go ahead and stick them in there like that. And then when I come home today, I'll just separate them in bags. So like I say, I don't know when y'all going to see this. This is March the 13th. And I finally finished them, y'all. Now, I have a lot of meat left. I have a half a bag of masa. And I have a lot of the broth. So I actually could go ahead and make some more masa and do some more, which I probably will. But I have to get some more corn husks because the rest of them, they say it's 200 in there. But some of them break all up, so you don't get the use of the full package. But what I could have done is did what they told me to do, and that's to save them to go over the top. And I'll remember to do that next time. This is very time consuming, but I do like these better than the ones with the paper. And I'll be making them again, but I'll have to do them when I have some time off or whatever. So, you know, these things sell as much as $12 a dozen. And some of these are like, this is maybe like 2 if you buying them from somebody. So if you're getting them from somebody, they usually about like this, maybe not this long. And 12 of them, 12 of them are actually, some people sell them for $12. But anyway, this is what they look like. I wanted to come back and show y'all. Whenever I'm able to put this together into a full video, I will share. I used actually 2 different recipes and combined because one to me didn't look like it would have enough seasoning. And the only thing I did, I had to add a little extra salt. And then to me, the meat needed a little something extra. So I added cayenne pepper. And then I added one of the McCormick chili packets to it. And that gave it just the taste that I liked. So anyway, y'all be blessed. It's a Friday morning, March the 13th. It's my brother's birthday, so I have to call him and tell him happy birthday. But y'all have a blessed day. Thank you all for subscribing. The coronavirus is in full effect, so make sure you wash your hands, sneeze in your clothes, keep that personal distance, and I'll talk to y'all later. Be safe. Bye.